Hey guys, today I want to show you the Kobe 11 Fade to Black. So now these shoes on Stadium Goods, they sell for more than 11. He wore them on his last game, which is really cool. And you see on over here, it has the very date of the last game. So that's 4/13/16. April 13th, 2016. Yeah, very like a piece of basketball history. Is because this Nike logo. On the fake ones, you'll find a really yellowish, well, you'll already see it because the yellowish does not look good, and it's just fake. And so you see the threaded base on here, and then the nice gold. Okay, so moving on to this material, like all over the shoe. So it's really nice. It's Flyknit, and so it's like a really cool Flyknit basketball shoe. So if you're ever looking for something light, low to ball in, you should definitely get the Kobe 11 Fade to Blacks. Also, if you're just a sneakerhead, these can be worth some money. Like, they're selling on eBay for like over maybe $800, man. And on Stadium Goods, like I already told you, it's selling for above $1,000. So, really awesome here. It can look different from the image on the internet. Something I've noticed. So there you go. Kobe 11, Fade to Black.